Namaste everyone. My name is Alpana Loyalka and I'm a board of director at the Indo-American Association of Houston. We are delighted that you have decided to spend your evening with us as we present to you this wonderful performance, the Uday Raga Dance Festival, in collaboration with the Orissa Dance Academy by Padma Shri Aruna Mohanty ji. Please stay connected with us while we try to bring to you all quality entertainment from the comfort and safety of your homes. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and hitting the bell icon. Please like us on Facebook and also follow us on Twitter and Instagram. We look forward to seeing you in person real soon once it's safe for us to do so. In the meantime, enjoy these wonderful performances. Namaste.
Namaskar. Good evening. I welcome you all to the streaming of Uday Raga, a dance festival. It is conceptualized by Padma Shri Guru Srimati Aruna Mohanty to uplift the spirits of dancers and nourish the art. Tonight's artist is Sudeshna Swayamprabha. Coming from a cultural family, being the daughter of Sharmila Banerjee, an eminent dancer and choreographer, and Bhashar Banerjee, renowned reciter and drama personality of Bangladesh, Sudeshna was introduced to the cultural arena of Bangladesh at a very young age. She started her training under her mother and guru, Sharmila Banerjee, at her institution, Nrityanandan. At the age of 5, she started learning Manipuri at Kolkata Manipur Nartanalaya under the guidance of Guru Srimati Kalavati Devi and Guru Srimati Pimbavati Devi. She is a full-time teacher at Chayanaut and Nrityanandan. Sudeshna has worked with the Akram Khan Company for their short production Father the Floating World in Bangladesh, celebrating the 100th birth anniversary of Father of the Nation. She has also acted in a leading role in the national award-winning film Moner Manush, directed by renowned director Gautam Ghosh. Manipuri is one of the major classical dance forms of India, named after its region of origin, Manipur, a state in northeastern India. It is particularly known for its Hindu Vaishnavism themes and exquisite performances on love-inspired dramas of Radha Krishna, known as Ras Leela.
Manipuri dance, hailing from the northeast of the kingdom of Manipur, is one of the most graceful and lyrical classical dance forms of the Indian subcontinent. It is the only dance form having two distinct styles, the Lasya, the feminine and soft, and the Tandava, the bold, masculine and the vigorous, as two distinct styles within it. The distinction is not only in the movements but can also be seen in the costumes. As Bangladeshis, we feel really proud to have a settlement of the Manipuri community within our geographical borders.
Sudeshna will be starting her presentation with Radha Roop Varnan. It is a dance reflecting the Lasya aspect of Manipuri dance. It is based on the composition of devotional Vaishnavite poet Govinda Das. Here, Radha is described as Murati Shringarmani, the epitome of the Ras Shringar.
गीतवाद्याभिनय रसमय भाषिणी दर्शन किरण मणि दर्शन किरण मणि दर्शन किरण मणि दर्शन किरण मणि मोती मोरम मूर्ति सिंगारिणी रास बिहारी जय 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 वृष भानु किशोरी गोरोचन रुचि रोचन धारी जय 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 वृष भानु किशोरी चमकित खंजन गति जिनी लोचन चमकित खंजन गति जिनी लोचन मन मथ भाती मूर्ति सिंगारिणी रास बिहारी श्याम मनोहर मन मद कुंजर मन मद कुंजर उच्च कनकाचल विहरत देखि नील निचोले झाँपी तहि मथुर गोविंद दास जुगति न उठे नाचत भंगी भांग भुजंगी कालिया दमन दमन मोदे माती नाचत भंगी भांग भुजंगी कालिया दमन दमन मोदे माती मूर्ति सिंगारिणी रास बिहारी जयति जय वृषभानुनन्दिनी श्याम मोहिनी राधिके जयति जय वृषभानुनन्दिनी श्याम मोहिनी राधिके कनय सुतबान कांति कलेवर किरण चित कमलाधि भंगी सहजई कतचि काम कत शत मोदिते भंगी सहजई बिचुरी कतचि काम कत शत मोदिते जिनी अपनी बनि बेनी लंबित खबरी मालती सुधीते सासत सासत सात रे सा सासत रे सा सारे कपगड़ कपरे सा सासत रे सा सारे सात सात पद पग पग सारे कपगड़े गपग धप धप सात 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 प सारे सात सात धप धप गपगड़ सा गड़ गड़ सा गड़ सा गड़ 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 सा गड़ सा गड़ 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 सा गड़ सा गड़ বদন কত ইন্দু নিন্দিতে মন্দ আদ হাসি কুন্দ প্রকাশী বিজুরি কত শত ঝলকিতে রতন মন্দির মাঝে সুন্দরী বসনে আধমুখ ঝাঁপিয়া দাস গোবিন্দ প্রেম মাগয়ে সই চরণ সমাধিয়া।
She will be concluding her presentation with Ghanabari Prabandha. It describes the flora and fauna drenched ecstatically in the rains and the celebration of varied emotions in monsoon. The verses are taken from Valmiki's Ramayana and a traditional poem, Ghanabari Barikatha, sung in Nata Sankirtan in Manipur.
अयं सकालः सम्प्राप्त समयोऽद्यजलागम् सम्पत्स्वत्वं नभो मेघैः संवृतं गिरिशनिभैः नवमासधृतं गर्भं भास्करस्य गभस्तिभिः पीत्वा रसं समुद्राणां दौ प्रसूते रसायनम्
सीता केतकी पुष्पगन्धम् आघ्रायमता वननिर्झरेषु प्रहर सीता केतकी कदम्ब सखासु विलम्ब माना सनरजितं पुष्परसबगारं सदैर्मदं सच्चरनास्तजन्ति शूरतामर्द विच्छिन्ना सर्गस्त्रीहारा मौक्तिका पतन्ति चातुला दिक्षु तोयधारा समन्त शूरतामर्द विच्छिन्ना
Namaskar. This is Sudeshna Swayamprabha, a classical Manipuri dancer from Dhaka, Bangladesh. I would like to thank Indo-American Association Houston and Orissa Dance Academy Bhubaneswar for conducting this wonderful Udayaraga dance series and also giving me the opportunity to be a part of this dance festival along with all the other wonderful dance artists. These kinds of online dance festivals and programs, I believe during this time of the pandemic, are very good initiatives for artists and dancers like us whose lives have come to a standstill during this time of the pandemic. Thank you for being with us, and I seek your blessings and best wishes for this performance today. Thank you. Namaskar.
We thank all our viewers for joining us in the streaming of Udayaraga. Next, we will come with another artist, Shibani Patnaik, an Odissi dancer. Your presence is our hope. Thank you. Namaskar.